The main reasons I'd recommend them is they came out fully prepared to explain to me what was going on where I really didn't know what was happening. They understood it, they do this, it's another day at the office for them. They know everything, they knew all the answers to all the questions. They were technical, but in a way that I could understand. Second, they were prepared when they came out. They came out with an experienced crew. They were on time. They just took care of things. I didn't have to direct them. I didn't have to tell them, don't do this and all that other stuff. They handled everything professionally. And third, the follow-up afterwards, getting the permit with the city approved. I didn't have to handle that. And then just the follow-up with the warranty, that was seamless. And for me, what's really important was that we're selling our house. And we have to have that warranty move on to the next people, and they've helped every step of the way on that. So yes, great experience. I'd recommend them highly. Ram Jack.